Welcome back to My Bullions Podcast, where we dive deep into the world of precious metals, economic trends, and the geopolitical events shaping our investments. Today we have an exciting discussion lined up. Let's start with the basics. Gold opened at 2,038 and silver opened at 29.58. We've seen gold inch higher today. Sharon Elizabeth Varghese from Reuters mentioned that gold prices edged higher due to a weaker US dollar and Treasury yields. Traders are waiting for more economic data to gauge the Fed's next move. The key event here is the ISM Services Report. If it stays below 50, it might indicate a soft landing scenario for the Fed, where the economy cools down without tipping into a recession. Krishan Gopal from the World Gold Council had some interesting thoughts on central bank gold purchases. Despite high prices, global central banks increased their net gold purchases in April. This trend is driven by ongoing geopolitical uncertainties and economic instability. Countries like Turkey, Kazakhstan, and India are significant buyers. Krishan expects this trend to continue, as these conditions are unlikely to change anytime soon. Speaking of geopolitical issues, there's been a lot of buzz about the new sanctions on Russian metal exports. The sanctions have removed a significant supply of metals like nickel, aluminum, and copper from Western markets, leading to immediate price spikes. Russia is redirecting these exports to China and India at a discount, but the overall market is experiencing increased volatility and higher prices. Geopolitical tensions always drive investors towards safe haven assets like gold and silver. With the sanctions and other ongoing global issues, both metals are seeing strong demand. This keeps prices high and supports their role as reliable stores of value during uncertain times. Now let's talk silver. JP Morgan forecasts silver prices reaching $30 per ounce by Q4 2024. They believe the Fed's cutting cycle and falling U.S. yields will push silver up. Silver will likely follow gold's upward trend, supported by strong industrial demand and investment interest. Daniel Hines and Soni Kumari from ANZ Research expect silver to exceed $25 per ounce in 2024 due to strong industrial and investment demand. Meanwhile, Jeffrey Christian from CPM Group remains optimistic about silver's strength, driven by mixed economic realities, but consistent demand. There's a consensus on silver's potential, albeit with varying targets. The industrial demand for silver, especially from electronics and renewable energy sectors, remains robust. Combined with the safe haven demand in times of geopolitical uncertainty, silver is expected to maintain strong support and possibly reach those forecasted levels. Keep an eye on the upcoming economic data, especially the ISM Services Report and the non-farm payrolls. These will provide more clarity on the Fed's direction. Also, monitor geopolitical developments, as they can swiftly impact market sentiment and drive precious metals higher. That's it for today's episode of My Bullions Podcast. Stay tuned for more updates and expert analyses. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on Spotify. Until next time, keep investing wisely